so excited. Today I get to teach you a new note. So let's review. Turn the glasses over and then I'll tell you what it is. I've been to Harlem, I've been to Dover, I've traveled this wide world all over, 3 times over. Drink all you have to drink and turn the glasses over. Sailing east, sailing west, sailing over the ocean. You better watch out when the boat begins to rock, or you'll lose your girl in the ocean. So we've done, I've been to Harlem, painting that shape in the air. And we also sang it and discovered that the lowest note was at the end and that it lived a step below la. Okay, so now we could sing it. Do, 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 la, lo. Do that with me. Do, 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 la, lo. When we have a note that lives a step below la, we call it drrrr. So, look. La, so, la, so. And we add the comma because we have to know the difference between the so and the so. So now we can sing, turn the glasses over. Do, 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 la, so. And the hand sign is the same. It's just lower. Do, 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 la, so. Do, 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 la, so. Just like that. Here are some other songs that you know that you didn't realize have a low so in them. Okay, here's what you have to do. You have to sing along with me. But at some point, I am going to switch to the so's, la's, and me's. Oh, I'm sorry, low so's, way down there. Low so. Okay, so do your best to sing along with me. Remember, low so. It's just the same as here, just lower, okay? Let's start with a good old-fashioned one. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Do, so, do, do, so, do. Did you catch it? All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 songs. Okay, that was song number 1. Let's see. La, 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 chicka-li, la. Ooh, every other phrase has a low so. The first and third have a low so. The others I'll sing the words. Here we go. La, 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 so, la, do, do. Li, 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 chicka-li, lo. La, 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 so, la, do, do. Li, 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 chicka-li, lo. So there's a couple low so's in that one. Let's see the next one. Oh. Our old sow is getting very fat. Good luck. Do, do, so, 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 do, do, so. Kaimo, kamo, kimo. Do, do, so, so, do, do, so. Kaimo, kamo, kimo. Scotland's burning, Scotland's burning. So, so, do, do. Good luck. In fact, this whole song, you can do the solfege super easy. So, so, do, do, so, so, do, do, re, mi, re, mi. So, 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 do, do, so, so, do, do. Oh man, you have to go from a high so to a low so. We call that an octave because it goes down 8 steps. What? That's crazy. So the next song is, let me look at my list. Aha! We have 4 more. Froggy went a courting and he did ride. King Kong, kitchy, kitchy, Kylie-o. Sword and a pistol by his side. King Kong, kitchy, kitchy, Kylie-o. So the King Kong kitchies don't have a low so, but the other parts do. Do, 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 la, la, so. King Kong, kitchy, kitchy, Kylie-o. Do, 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 la, la, so. King Kong, kitchy, kitchy, Kylie-o. me-o. Kaimo-key, way down yonder in the hollow of a tree. Do, 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 la, la, so. Owl and a bat and a bumblebee. King Kong, kitty, kitty, kai-me-o. Lots of low-sos. Let me see. Come through now, hurry. Come through now, hurry. Come through now, hurry. Alabama gal. Now the nice thing about low-so is it's the lowest one down there. Well, the camera's not showing it. It's the lowest one. So basically you have to find the lowest note of the song and you got it. Come through now, hurry. Come through now, hurry. Come through now, hurry. Alabama gal. This only has one low-so. So let's do the whole song in solfege. Good luck. Do, do, la, do, mi. Do, 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 la, so. Do, do, la, do, mi. Mi, so, mi, re, do. Woo! Mi, so, mi, re, do. Got it? Okay. 2 more. You've almost got it. You know so many songs with low so in them. Here it goes. Ain't no use to sit and cry. Sail away, lady, sail away. Do, 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 so, la, do, do, do. Instead of singing sail away, lady, sail away. Do, 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 so, la, do, do, do. That's your part. Ain't no use to sit and cry. Do, 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 so, la, do, do, do. You'll be an angel by and by. Do, 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 so, la, do, do, do. Ooh, man, that's fun to sing it like that. Don't you rock 'em, daddy-o. 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 Last song is the song we just learned today. There was a jolly miller and he lived by himself. When the wheel went round, he made his wealth. With one hit, it's a super quick one. So, do, 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 so, 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 la, 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 so, 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 do, do, re, re, mi, do, do. There's your little so in the last one. Whew, that was a lot. So here's what your job is. You're going to pick one of those songs we just went through. Are You Sleeping? Chickalililo, Old Sow, Scotland's Burning, King Kong Kitschy, Come Through Now Hurry, Sail Away Ladies, or Jolly Miller. Pick one of those 8 and sing the solfege back to me in a video with your hand signs.